In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Figma history. Start by opening your design in Figma. With the file open, look to the very top center of the window. Click the file name there to open its drop-down menu. Then select Show Version History. This brings up the version history view so you can review how your design has evolved over time. On the right side, you'll see a panel listing all the versions Figma has saved automatically. Each entry shows a timestamp and the person who made changes. So it's easy to track progress and understand who contributed what. Figma saves frequently, so don't be surprised if you see a dense timeline. That's helpful for pinpointing exactly when a change happened. Click any version in that panel to open it in read-only mode. This is perfect for reviewing past layouts, comparing earlier iterations, or grabbing assets you need. Even though the version is read-only, you can still select elements and copy them. Then paste into your current working file. It's a safe way to borrow from an older idea without undoing your current work. If you decide a previous state is the one you want to return to, use the three-dot icon next to that version in the History panel and choose Restore this version. Your file will revert to that snapshot. Figma preserves your current state as part of the history, so you are not losing anything. You are simply moving the file back to an earlier point with the option to go forward again if needed. When you hit a major milestone, you can manually save a named version to make it easy to find later. Choose Save to Version History. Add a clear name and a short description, and confirm. This is especially useful before design reviews or developer handoff, because it locks a reference point everyone can come back to. Consistent naming, like including the feature and date, will make your history far more navigable. Keep in mind the plan limits. On the free plan, version history is retained for 30 days. If you are on a paid plan, your version history is unlimited, which makes manual naming and descriptions even more powerful over long projects. That's all to it.